What's going on, everybody? This is Jay Jones coming at you from Donley, Ford Shelby. Today I have with me a 2023 Ford F-150 4x4. Alright, this XLT comes in hot pepper red. This XLT comes with the FX4 off-road package as well as a trailer tow hitch package. In addition, it comes with a 5.0 liter V8 engine as well as the XLT Chrome appearance package. Now let's step inside. As we step inside, you'll see that it has a cloth interior. As we come up to the front, you'll see that we have heated seats, lane keep assist, auto off, as well as 360 camera. And as always, you know the speakers are kicking. If you or anybody you know are in the market looking for a vehicle, F-150 or not, stop down at 249 Mansfield Ave, Shelby, Ohio, and ask for Jay.